Hi, welcome SIT707 7.2 HD CI/CD with Google Cloud Platform demonstration. My name is Kaushalya Rajapaksha. In here, I have developed two projects. One is uh, previous project, the extension version of 9.1. So this is the project for this. This is a Spring Boot Maven project. In here, you can see the Docker file. So these are the previous implementations. So I have added the Kubernetes deployment and the GitHub action for this task. And in here you can see it's exposing entity, and in here you can see I have used GCP SAK, GCP region, GCP project registry, and the clustering as secret. So for that, we have to create a cluster registry and service account in the GCP. So I will show my GCP project uh, file. So in here, I have two projects for this unit, and this one is another unit, and this also another unit. So in here, I'm talking about the book catalog and digging on. Now I'm talking about the digging on track project. This is the first project I have implemented using Spring Boot and Minimum. So in here, you can see the cluster. Under the cluster, we have created the digging on track cluster and the registry. I have created on track registry, and in here I have tested in the fail test scenario and the pass test scenario too. So I will show that to you too. So in here action file, in the actions, you can see this is the fail scenario. So in here I have changed one test cases to exit type like successful as double L, and but actually it's giving the successful as this. So in here I have developed 13 test cases. One is failing. This is test cases, and you can see the everything in here. So for that, this is the this one is the fair test case scenario email, and reverting this back to normal. This is the past test case scenario. So in here you can see the all test cases pass. See, and this is the project one demonstration. And for the project two, both project I have added all the secret into same repository, so I can't explain both project at once because of that this scenario. But I'm explaining both project and like some details. But in one project, I'm explaining overall A to Z scenario. So in here, GCP SAK, and these are my secret keys I have get from the Google Cloud environment. And for the SC key, I have to generate service account key. For that, for both project, these are the key I have generated. So these are the private things. This is for digging on track. This is for second project, catalog digging project. So we have to copy this to uh, GitHub to here. Then this is going to authenticate with GCP and working fine with the cluster and repository. Okay, so in here for the second project, the book catalog, I have successfully done for that too. In here option, we can see it's successfully passed and test case status 2. So in here you can see all past 5 test cases, and so in here I have developed test case and the UI. So in there under the workload you can see the public expose endpoint. This is the public expose endpoint. So the Saga one we can have like this docs. So getting all the input, we can try this out. For the DB, I use render. This is the render for SQL database. So I have added this into the Docker file. I will show that too. Code base. This is the second code project base. So in here, under the script, under the script deployment, we can see this is the database URL and this is Docker file. Previously, I got some error in the Docker file. That's why this errors occur, and yeah, you can see. And also, I have attached some error scenario when I use monitoring and logging in here cluster into the my document. You can see that there. And for that, okay, we can try this out, like posting and executing. This is working fine. Title ABC. So previously we had, so this is, we can see success. Okay, by getting the details. Previously we got these details and the other one. So let's try. So we can see it's working with UI2. Yeah. Okay. That's the end of my demonstration. I think I provided all the A to Z details how to create everything. Before that, creating the artifact registry and Kubernetes cluster, we have to enable the API and we have to set the project. For both project, I have to set differently, both catalog for that project and the Deepnon track for that project. For all the things, I have added the command step by step into project and the step by step I have attached like screenshot too. Okay, that's the end of my demonstration. Thank you for watching my demonstration.